Okay, now on the underside, there is going to be a lot more germs than on the top side where you sit, okay? Sometimes it kind of, leaks and goes underneath that toilet if it catches, if you've got little kids, they're sitting too close to the toilet seat. So this is where I use the paper, because we want to throw this away. It's a lot more dirty underneath here, so you want to wash this down. I didn't get the disinfectant on it, but you want to put this in your sink, get the disinfectant on your paper towel, and just wipe it down. The warmth of the water is going to loosen up anything that's sitting on there, okay? And I would go over that 2 or 3 times. Make sure you're going to have a lot of splashes and spots on here. Just make sure you rub that off. If the paper towel's not getting it off, just grab the toothbrush and have a little scrub. If there's a few spots that I see, just scrub it off with your toothbrush again and just wipe it over. This goes in the bag on the door, okay?